Okay, heto na po tayo. Balik na naman AJ Hagan Macau Tower, the world's highest bungee. Heto po ang taas ang kanyang tatalunin. Ganyan po kataas yan, 233 meters. We are the world's highest bungee. And yan po ang view ng ating tatalunan. Now we are on the 2-minute call. Those are Jump Master David Chen and Block. Ayun, inaayos na siya para patalunin sa world's highest bungee. Mga kababayan sa Las Piñas, tignan nyo ito. Ang ating kababayan, malakas ang loob. Ayan na, tignan nyo ang paa niya, oh. Ayan, ayan, ayan siya. And look at her face. She's ready to jump already in Phuket. Yeah. Very good. Ang tagal, ayun. Hintayin natin ang kanyang pag-bounce. Ayun, ayaw niyang hilahin. Anyway, thanks for jumping AJ Hagan Macau Tower. We are the world's highest bungee. See you in YouTube. Bye-bye. Ayun, ganun siya kataas. And our Jump Master Black.
Hey, awesome job. Great work from the Philippine team. See you ladies next time, okay?
Okay, tingnan nyo naman ang world size bungee and sky jump. Mga taga Las Piñas, di namin kayo tatantanan. See you next time. Bye-bye.